Provincial Chairman of MAG, Antonio Ilope, sir. Of course, the Municipal Advisor, the Calixto Icana, AGILA. And to everyone, every members of the MAG, Makabansang Unification ng Guardians. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. So first, I would like to convey my sincere thanks sa inyong lahat, especially to our visitors whom I know have traveled from other province, areas, but then malakas pa ang ulan sa dinaanan natin. So I am very grateful for your presence and of course with your efforts, with your dedication. This memorandum of agreement, we renew this with the partnership of Sir Salito Aquino, the municipal founder, the municipality of Labrador. This manifests our dedication in your part, your dedication to serve, and of course to collaborate with the members of the PNP, particularly the Labrador MPS. And with that, again, I am very grateful as the officer in charge for the information of everyone. I am just 2 months old, I think, 2 months old officer in charge of the Labrador MPS. And with that, I do recognize the important presence of our force multiplier. Kailangan po natin yan. Especially now, during the time of pandemic, we need various efforts from various members or clusters of the community. And of course, with our activity ngayong UNDAS. So, yan, katulungan namin din kayo dyan. And let us all remember that this not only signifies or manifests our commitment or collaboration to PNP, but it does also signify yung tinatawag natin na urge natin to have a superb service to the people of Labrador and every part ng mga munisipyo kung saan kayo din ay mayroong memorandum of agreement. So the PNP as a whole is very grateful. So I myself, I'm very grateful. Our deputy is very grateful. So we hope that this partnership will go on, pagtibayin pa natin, and lahat ng pwede natin maitulong sa community, itulong natin. We must give them yung service na dapat na maibigay natin at dapat na makamtan ng ating mga people of Labrador. So again, thank you very much. A pleasant afternoon po sa ating lahat.
Thank you, sir. Next is the message of our municipal founder, Sir Salito Aquino, sir.
First of all, I would like to give Lieutenant in uniform, headed by our energetic police captain, Basti Tukanisa. And of course, nandiyan din po ang ating Deputy Chief, Police Lieutenant Vladimir Alange. At ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa pagdating ng ating provincial chairman, although ang dinaanan niya ay malakas na this sacrifice. And my two co-founders, my late, pleasant afternoon to everyone. For the sake of the makabansang education ng guardians, asahan niyo po sir na kami po yung nasa likod nyo lagi with the support of our provincial chairman ang magandang lalaking katabi ko. Si Enet Antonio Felipe. At kayong mga kasama, narinig nyo ang sinabi ni Hepe na tayo ay makipagtulungan sa kapulisan ng ating municipality of Labrador. And lastly, thank you very much, sir, for giving us this opportunity in this afternoon. Thank you and God bless us all.
Photo ops muna po tayo, sir, ma'am.